लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। इस कहावत को तो हम सब ने अपनी आम जिंदगी में सुना ही होगा, लेकिन इस कहावत को मैंने अपनी असल जिंदगी में सच साबित होते देखा भी है। Hello everyone, I am Jaspreet Kaur Bodhraj and welcome back to episode 6 of Impacting Lives with Jaspreet. Today I shall be talking of a startup success story of a boy. Can you imagine the life of a 3-year-old boy whose father was no more and whose mother already had 3 kids and was pregnant with the 4th one? Can you imagine the plight of the mother who had nobody to support her mentally, emotionally or financially? When it was the age to play, the age to go to school, learn new things, make new friends, the boy was burdened with the stress to sustain his life, to sustain his livelihood. He always had the thought to earn something for his family in order to have a good life, in order to have good education. His mother sent him to a nearby government school. He saw across the craze of stationery among the students, so he thought, why not buy stationery in bulk and sell to these students so that he could earn at least something? Gradually, he started polishing shoes. He also carried tiffins in his bicycle to far off distances in order to earn bread and butter for his family. These are some of the hardships that he faced while he grew up. And all this done by a 6-year-old boy was really praiseworthy. Gradually, the financial instabilities of his family continued to increase. So what he thought was to discontinue with his education, with his school, and he thought of joining a garment store as a full-time worker. He joined a garment store, he worked well, he understood the culture of a business, he understood the concept of how a shop runs, and he earned pretty amount with which he brought his Luna with his first salary, and he was very happy about it since now he did not have to ride bicycle to such long distances. Suddenly, an idea popped up in his mind. He thought, since now he knows the basics of a business, so why not start his own shop? So he did the same. And since then, there was never looking back. Today, he is one of the topmost business persons, not only in Ranchi, but across Jharkhand. He has that name and fame and all those luxuries required for life, but his values are still grounded. The person I am talking about is none other than my father. He has taught us to always stay grounded. He has taught us no work is big or small. I love my father and I have great respect towards him, and I know I cannot repay for what he has done for all of us. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please hit on the like button, share and subscribe. And let's impact lives together. Thank you.